In the manufacturing and production world, your goal is to have as little downtime as possible. And here at PWI, we offer a fully skilled, trained, knowledgeable staff of service techs to help you with those repair needs, whether they be electrical, mechanical, or fabrication work. And to stay ahead of your repair needs, we offer annual and biannual inspections. Along with that, we have a full in-house hoist repair room where we have skilled certified technicians to work on and repair any type of brand or model of hoist that you have. Along with that, we have an amazing parts department to supply parts, any parts that you need for any type of product in the hoist that you're looking for, and those hard to find parts.